Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 7th mathematics chapter 1, that's name is integer, and this is our exercise 6 which is related to our Telangana State Board, right? So in this exercise, this is a very small exercise. Whatever doubt is there, so don't worry about it. I will make this clear. This is a very simple exercise, nothing to be worried about it. Okay, so let's see this one. So this question is telling that fill in the blanks. Actually we have to see the division. So before we are learning in this chapter addition, subtraction, multiplication, we'll learn these three things. Okay, now by this using this formula, plus plus always will be plus, minus minus it's always going to be plus, because both plus plus both are same symbol, so plus, minus minus same symbol, so that's why it is plus. When you have a different symbols like plus or minus, it is going to be minus, minus or plus, minus, because they both are the different symbols, that's why. Okay, so we learn about that. This is the basic things. Now we have to see the divisions, how we can divide these ones. Division is also simple, that I am telling you. This is 4, it is divisible by 2. So how you can divide? You can divide like this: 2 divisible by 4, 2 2s are 4. You can divide. The answer is going to be 2. This is very simple. Now if I am telling you minus 4 divisible by 2, how we can do? It is also very simple, nothing to be worried. What you can do? Normal, just take the number and divide. 2 and 4, just divide this one. 2 2s are 4. Okay, this is going to be 2. Okay, the answer is, sorry, this is going to be cancelled. The answer is 2. Write the 2. So here what the symbol is there? Here 2 have a plus symbol and 4 have a minus, so plus minus is going to be minus only now. Just simple put the minus. This is a very simple one. Okay, now this is your answer. Otherwise I can give you another example. I can tell you, let's suppose this is given 15 and this is given divisible by minus 3. What you can do? Simple, don't focus on symbols. Here is a 3 have a minus symbol, 15 have a positive, which is not looking but positive. Don't focus on symbol, just do one thing, just divide 3 and 15. If you divide, 3 5s are 15, that's going to be cancelled. The answer is going to be 5. But we have, now we look the symbol. So 15 have a plus, 3 have a minus, plus minus is going to be minus, so this is going to be minus 5. That's the simple, that much simple this division is there. Okay, now I can tell you another one. Let's suppose this is a minus 20 and you are dividing with by 4. So what is the going to be answer? Simple, just take this number and divide. Normally how we divide? Simple, we can divide 4 into 20, 4 5s are 20, that's going to be cancelled. The answer is 5. Now here 20 have minus, 4 have a plus, which is not looking but plus. You can write plus 4 or plus 4, it is positive only. Okay, now plus minus minus, so it is going to be minus 5. So this is a very simple. Okay, this is a very simple, we can do like that. Okay, now so now this question is telling that here, what is question telling? This question telling, so this is 25, so here which number you will divide that, the answer have to be going to be 25. Means here which number you are going to divide the 25, the answer have to going to be 25. Here which, this is given 25, by which number here you will divide, the answer will come 25. Which number you will divide? Okay, now just forgot this line, just forgot this, just understand like that. Okay, now I chosen this 25, I didn't write the minus, I just simple write 25. Now here which number I have to divide, the answer should have to be 25. So one thing, you know, if I divide by 1, if I divide 1, if you count one table, the 25 will come in 25 times, so this is going to be cancelled. Okay, it means here 1 will come. But now let's come to the you can say symbols. So here is a positive symbol, but here if you see 25 have a minus, 1 have a plus, plus minus is going to be minus, so the answer have to be minus 25. But this answer is not minus 25, it is plus 25. So what we can do, so what we are going to do, we are going to write here minus 1. Here we are going to write minus 1. If you put minus here, then what will happen? If you divide, just simple 1 and 25, if you divide, this is going to be 25 times divisible. Okay, that's possible, that's good. Now here we have to put symbol also. Now symbol is there, so here minus symbol will come, so I put 1 have a minus, then both 25 have also minus, 1 have a minus, so 1 minus minus is going to be plus. So now it's become, the answer become plus 25. Okay, so now this is correct. Okay, now this is correct. Okay, I will explain again to you. I will explain again, don't worry, don't be confused, I will explain again. Here what I did, I didn't choose any symbol, I just take 25. Okay, and here I have to divide 25 by something number. the answer should be 25. So if I divide by 1, the answer should be 25. Okay, that's good. 25 I get. I written here 1 also, but here this is given minus 25 divisible by 1. So if you see, the answer is going to be 25. The answer should be 25. We know the 1, but you know, if you take the symbol, now you just focus the symbol. 25 have a minus, 1 have a plus. Plus minus is going to be minus now. So here it will become minus 25, but here it is not minus 25, it is 25 only. Here it is positive 25. Then what we do now, what we can do, we just put 1 have a minus also. 1 have also we will put minus. So now what will happen? 25 have also minus, 1 have also minus. Minus minus is going to be plus. Now the 25 become positive. So now it is positive, so that's okay. So that's why I put in minus 1 here. Okay, did you understand? Right, so I hope you understand. Okay, now again, what this question telling here, this telling you have to divide by 1. You have to divide 1 by something number is there here. You have to divide, and the answer should have to be minus 49. Minus 49 means, just understand, 49. So what number you will put here, that's going to be 49 times. So you are dividing by 1. In one table 49, just write 49. In one table 49 will be in 49 times. So the answer is going to be 49. So this is going to be 49. Okay, just wait a minute. The answer is going to be 49. Simple. This is 49. That's okay. But if you divide 1 into 49, it's going to be 49. It is going to be positive, right? It is going to be positive. But we need minus. We need minus 49. We need minus 49. So what we can do? We can write here minus 49. We can write here minus 49. We can write here minus 49. Minus 49. How? Let's see. This is 1. This is 49. Now it is divisible. It is divisible by 49. Now it's cancel. Okay. Right. So this is 49 is there now. Now if you see minus and plus, this is 49 have a minus, 1 have a plus. So plus minus is going to be minus only now. So the answer should be minus 49. That's why. Okay na? Simple it is. Nothing to be worried about. And one thing here, it is not possible. Actually, when you divide 0 by something, if you divide 0 and 50, it is not possible. It is not possible. This is not possible because you cannot divide any number with 0. You can divide 50 by 0. The answer will be 0. Okay, the answer will be 0. If you divide 0 divisible by 50, the answer will be 0. But if you divide 50 divisible by 0, it is not possible. Not possible. You cannot divide. You can divide like, you just understand, by the 0 you cannot divide 50. You cannot divide 50. It is not possible. It is not possible. But 50 by 0 you can divide. It is possible, but the answer will be 0 only, not anything but 0. But you cannot divide 0. You by the 0 you cannot divide any number. So the answer is going to be how much? The answer is going to be, you can write not defined or not possible. You can write cannot possible. You can write not possible. Not possible. Not possible. You can write not possible or cannot define also. Cannot defined. Cannot defined. You can write anyone. You can write not possible also and cannot defined. Okay na? I already told you. But here you can see this is a one twist. By 1 you can divide 0. The answer will be 0 only. The answer will be 0. I already told you. By one table, by the one table you can divide 0 also, but the answer will be 0. But from 0 table you cannot divide 1. Always remember, by the 0 you cannot divide any number. Okay na? But by any number you can divide the 0. Okay, like from one table you can divide the 0 in only in the 0 times. Okay now, so always remember, by 0 you cannot divide any numbers. But any number is there, 1, 2, 3, either any number you can divide 0, the answer will be 0 only. Okay now, understand? Okay, so I hope you will understand. This is a very easy and short exercise, and I hope it is clear, and whatever doubt is there, everything is clear. So next the exercise is 7, which is our last exercise. Okay, so I hope this video is going to be clear to you. Let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.